Welcome to the Python programming course. This program offers industry-recognized certifications designed by IBM and IIT Patna Vishwasan iHub Foundation, delivered by BIT. Python is the definitive language for data science, AI, and enterprise automation, ranking as the #1 language on the TIOBE index. It is the undisputed standard for AI and data science. With versatility and scalability, Python offers infinite career paths, with high market demand projected to add over 2.5 million roles in India by 2027. Our program snapshot, a collaboration between IBM, IIT, and BIT, allows you to earn up to 4 certificates. Track 1 focuses on Python programming, and Track 2 specializes in data analysis. Choosing this program gives you a competitive advantage with prestigious IBM and IIT branding, leading to dual or quad certifications. The content is industry-aligned, offering GitHub-ready capstone projects and high ROI. Select your path. The advanced certification in Python programming targets beginners and IT professionals focused on software and automation, earning 2 certificates. The professional certification in Python programming is for aspiring data analysts and researchers, focusing on analytics and ML, earning 4 certificates. The Python programming curriculum roadmap is a 5-week journey, covering everything from Python basics and data structures to APIs and data collection. The programming track uses hands-on labs with Jupyter Notebooks, Git and GitHub, and IBM Cloud. Assessment includes auto-graded labs, quizzes, and a capstone project. The Python for Data Analysis curriculum roadmap is also 5 weeks and leads to 4 certificates. Modules cover importing datasets, cleaning, summarizing data, and model development and evaluation. The data analysis track focuses on mastering the data science stack using libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn, with key deliverables including notebook reports and model pipelines. Future-proof your career with roles like Python developer, data analyst, or junior machine learning engineer. The job market projected for 2026 is expected to have over 2.5 million new jobs. Salary progression is strong, with certified freshers starting at an estimated 4 to 8 lakh rupees per annum, and top-tier potential exceeding 30 lakh rupees per annum. The structured learning pathway takes you from foundations to job placement in 5 to 8 weeks, including portfolio building and certification.